versus Benilde. The Lady Blazers looking for their 4th straight championship. Letran wants to extend. Kasama niyo Martin Javier, Carly Hernandez. Later on, we'll hear again from Gleisel Galpo. And the first serve here is Cheney Basarte, who was brilliant in that first game with 16 excellent sets. Again this season, she had major shoes to fill with the departure of Cloan Mondoñedo, last year's MVP. And we start off with a service ace from Basarte.
What a start.
So mukhang locked in, no? Carly,
Yes.
itong Lady Blazers. Nakikita natin yung mga estudyante nila. They're slowly filling up the venue. Oh, it's another good serve, but a better pickup from Letran. Sari is red. Christy Ondangan puts it down.
Christy Ondangan.
Makikita mo, no? Grabe yung start talaga ng Benilde.
At ito yung hindi nila na-enjoy.
Yes.
Diba? Nung game number 1. Because they looked very tentative. Parang medyo tense yung galawan.
Good thing lang din, kita natin sa kanila, medyo light sila ngayon.
That's a good dig from Lieses. Mike Sauer, MVP. Unable to do it there. Estoque will try. Popped up by Makilang. Judel, our best opposite. Back to Wewe.
Still good.
They bring it to Mike's. Drop ball. Sari's turn. Nasa likod si Lieses. Rally continues. Letran has it on their side. Gatigan was there. Rally gets extended. Oh! Sari finds a spot.
Grabe, parang ako yung napagod dun
Our longest rally so far. Actually, pangatlong play pa lang po natin.
Grabe.
Vanessa Sari
It's
scoring
really
the first
finals.
point. Yeah. Finals vibes, ano?
Yes.
Walang gustong sumuko mula sa magkabilang panig. Good pass. Running hit for Christy Ondangan.
Good running from Ondangan.
And here's the thing now for Letran. You know, without Nolasco on the court now for Benilde, si Ondangan yung kailangan nilang bantayan. Kasi nababasan na nila yung mga wing attackers ng Benilde. So now, yung mga slide play ni Christy, yung kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan.
Oh!
Kinuha ni Silva.
Miscommunication there.
Yeah. It was going out, but Silva still took it.
I think sobrang eager nila lahat kumuha talaga ng bola. But then, nawawala pa rin sila when comes nandyan na talaga.
4-1 start for the Lady Blazers. Sari rises, but gets denied. It's a chance ball for the green shirts. Ondangan with her 3rd point.
Ondangan again.
A blistering start for Benilde. Christy Ondangan responsible for 3 of their 5 points so far.
Ang dami natin iniintindi natin yung mabilis na bola. Pumunta muna tayo sa tamang posisyon, Lara. Nagsasalita naman, outside, sinisigaw. Pangalawa, chance ball, sa muna. Makipsakin muna. Disiplina muna. Disiplina muna. Okay. We're doing good sa paluan. We're doing good sa paluan. Yung kusang tayong best, nagmamadali tayo.
Alright. So, instructions mula kay Coach O kasi alam na niya, pag ganito ka, kalaki na lamang nitong Benilde.
Mahirap na yan.
Yeah.
Oo, mahirap na yan. Especially sa Benilde.
Yeah.
Diba?
So, kailangan nilang magising kagad dito. A slow start for Letran.
And kailangan nilang kumalma.
Yeah. So, one of the best servers in the league, Mike Ago. Second in that category. Faulty first ball, Makilang. Here's Estoque. Silva sets up Nitura. No. Silva ulit. Sa likod naman. Pasarte goes to Lieses. Popped up by Silva. Back set for Nitura.
Buhay pa.
What an exchange here. And it's still alive. It's still going. Nitura. Net touch.
Yep, net
against
touch.
Benilde.
Talagang sobrang eager niyang i-block.
Sumabit lang ng konti.
Sumabit ng konti.
So 2-5 and Letran needs to capitalize on this. So Royce De La Cruz is back in the fold. Ito si Vanessa Sari. And freshman and rookie of the year. Wow.
It's a good serve.
Estoque!
Estoque.
Wewe Estoque not wasting a chance to start for Benilde.
Kita niya, isa na lang yung block niya eh. Talagang hindi ko na palalagpasin to. Papaluin ko na to.
Ito si Wewe Estoque. As on time and commits a service error. Nung unang part natin, kasi 2 rounds tayo, Carly. Nung unang part ng season natin, siya yung nangunguna pagdating sa scoring for Benilde. So, later on in the season, naging si Dinsing na yung pinagsa-start. Kaya si Estoque medyo nagstay lang dun sa stat na yun.
At least, it's a good thing, no? Parang merong nagiging saluhan sa kanilang dalawa.
3-6. Lieses will score. That is Ash Lieses breaking the block. Tatlo.
And as you can see, nag-play na tong Benilde. Bibigay na sila ng mga combination plays na kailangan bantayan ng Letran.
7-3 is the tally so far. This is Isar. Couldn't convert. Lieses with a swing. This time, she goes down the line.
Hindi mo pwedeng abangan sa isang lugar yung mga palo ng mga wingers ng Benilde.
They're outsmarting the defense on the other side. Let's go to this break. Pagbalik natin, we'll hear it from Clysel Galpo.
Ako po si Erin T. at nandito tayo ngayon sa University of Makati para subaybayan ng NCAA Season 100 Football Finals. Tara, samahan niyo ako at saksihan natin kung sino ang magwawagi.
Nagbabalik tayo dito sa NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Championship. One question that remains unanswered for our defending champions was anong nangyari nung set 1 referring to their last game. Ani nga ni Coach Onyok Gitigan sa kanilang koponan. Siyempre, championship na ang nilalaruan nyo. Wala nang puwang dyan yung pagpapabaya kung sinong mauuna siya ang mas may tsansa. That slow start is exactly what they want to prevent in today's match. On the other hand, Coach Oliver Almagro recognized that it was their immaturity that caused their defeat. Napansin raw niyang when things don't go their way ay nahihirapan silang maka-adjust. So today, he wants to see them play with more confidence, cohesiveness, and the right flow. Yan muna mula sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Carly.
Thanks, Clysel. It's exactly what Letran needs right now. They are down by 5 here in the opening set. And they're facing eliminations. What a dig by Estoque, but nobody got it on the second ball.
Medyo napalakas ang kanyang dig right there.
Dun sa kwento ni Clysel, as we see this back row hit by Vanessa Sari, aminado rin si Zami na yung mga first-year players nila, kinabahan dun sa Game 1. Eh, siyempre, first time mo mag-final sa NCAA.
Pero sa performance naman nila, parang hindi naman sila kinakabahan talaga.
Yeah. Letran with 2 straight points after the technical timeout. Gia Makilang scores her first. She had 15 in game number 1. Lieses. Pasa ni Silva. Sari, didiskarte. Pasarte. Goes to Zam. Back to Gia here. Wow.
It's a good save.
Yeah. That was Estoque diving for it. Isar. Andun ulit si Wewe. Lieses. Covered. Pasarte to Zam.
Oh, that's out. Medyo napalakas ang palo niya doon.
Malamig pa si Zam Nolasco. And this will open a
You know
little
what's
window
good
for
here?
Letran. Yeah.
You know what's good here in Benilde, no? Napansin ko, pag
Yeah.
nandito si Estoque sa likod, parang meron kang second libero sa likod eh. No?
Yeah. The way she goes for the ball.
Yes.
Yeah. Pero Judiel Netura committing the service error. That's the league's top server. At ito yung hindi kailangan mangyari ng, or gustong mangyari ng Letran. They had 27 errors in game number 1.
Especially this score na. Medyo lumalayo na to.
Service ace from Ash Lieses. And now, itong Lady Blazers, yung mga kargado nilang serve, pati yung mga targeting nila na ganyan, ay nagbubunga dito sa set 1. Not the best pass, but they'll take it. Too strong for Netura.
I think nag-a-adjust pa din talaga tong Letran. We'll see if parang hindi pa sila nag-iinit ngayon eh.
Yeah. Really slow start here for the Lady Knights. 3 straight points for Benilde. And Ash Lieses, after scoring an ace, has 4 points so far. Estrelier, Isar. May konting diin mula kay JD Isar.
Yan yung mga kailangan nilang points ngayon. Especially napakalayo ng score nila.
Ito yung surprise para kay Coach O. Pinagsimula si Jade Isar dito sa ating laban. Again, used sparingly all throughout the season, but she gets a chance here in the finals. Sari. Here comes Benilde. Zam. Too strong, but that was a check.
Check ball. Medyo nangangapa-ngapa pa rin siya dito sa first line.
Parang game 1. Pero naka 21 points pa rin. Diba?
Kailangan munang magalit.
Parang, okay. Di pa kami dehado.
Malayo yung score.
Correct. Again, not the best first ball for Letran. Teka. May tumama sa net. That was Sari. Hindi na niya na-control yung momentum.
Sayang.
Punto sana nila yan.
Oo.
You see here the bench of Benilde. Again, this is a transition year for them. Nawala yung core. Maraming bagong muka. Balik pa rin sila sa finals. Sari, gusto sanang bumawi this time. Overshooting it.
She's still adjusting, especially sa set na binibigay sa kanya.
Benilde doubles up on Letran. Let's go back to Coach O.
Hindi mo kailangan pilitin na iiwas sa kanya. Hindi baling mahipok, di ba? Ang importante, hindi madiin. Ano mo, mahipok, pero tayo ulit tayo. Okay. Patience, patience, patience. I need you to, kailangan ko pa yung tatlo. Masyadong hyper. Masyadong hyper. Look! Look! Kaya natin makipagbalikan ng bola. Yun muna. Kailangan magtsaga.
And this is how the Lady Blazers built their lead here in the opening set. A couple of 3-0 runs to get to this point. At doblihan na tayo, 14-7. And from the past games, pag ganito na kalaki ang abante ng Benilde, goodbye na. We'll see if Letran can catch up. 1-2 play. Nandun pa rin si Estoque. Estrelier. Back row for Gia. Makilang scores.
Yun yung sinasabi ko. Especially walang libero sa loob ang Benilde. Take advantage mo na. Targetin mo na talaga yung long ball.
They had Zam right behind. What difficulty picking it up. Ito si Jade Isar. Mikes with a pickup. Christie. Sari will try. Popped up by Lieses. Wewe from behind.
Wow! I love her vibe.
Yeah.
Sobrang light. Nahahawa din yung mga teammates niya sa kanya.
Look at this. Elevating from the backline. Wewe Estoque.
Yeah.
Talagang tumakbo siya, celebrating that point. Sari, put down by Vanessa.
Nagsa-start na si Sari. I think medyo kailangan niya lang magpainit pa.
Bibihira kasi may makakapigil sa atake ni
Yes.
Vanessa Sari. So kapag ka nakuha niya yung diskarte niya, tutuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Ko picks it up. Estoque mula naman sa gitna. Judel. Netura scores.
At least kahit pa paano, nakakapagbalikan na sila. Nagkakaroon na din ng saluhan sa loob ng court. I think medyo na late lang yung adjustments ng Letran.
Better showing from Letran so far in this stretch. Tama, mas nakukuha na nila yung mga set nila, no? That's a nice serve. Estoque.
that's
Sobra.
true.
A miss hit from Wewe.
That goes out.
Okay. All right. So, consecutive points. 3-0 run for Letran. To pull to within 4. Nat Estrelier will start. What a sharp serve. Nasalo ni Dorog. Christie is denied.
Eto na. Even sa blockings, gumagana na din sila. Konti pa.
4 consecutive points for Letran. And this is 15-12. A diesel set for Letran. Pero slowly but surely nakakabalik sila dito. Oh! Ondangan with the use of the net.
For the Lady Blazers.
Unintentionally for Christie. She now has 4 in the first frame.
Hindi niya in-expect yan.
Buenas.
Yes.
Para kay Christie Ondangan.
Napa.
It's a 4-point lead for Benilde.
Mga ka-NCAA, nandito tayo ngayon sa University of Makati para saksihan at subaybayan ang NCAA Season 100 Men's Football.
San Sebastian College Recoletos is the host of this season's NCAA football tournament. Under the leadership of Chairman Father Virgilio Paredes.
Back to our coverage. This is NCAA Season 100 on GTV. Game 2 of the finals. And we're still in set number 1. It is a 4-point lead
Goal serving.
for the Benilde Lady Blazers. Aika Goes on deck again to serve. Outside.
Medyo napalakas yung hit niya doon. Since feeling ko pumalma din yung yung energy nila since nag-timeout.
Ito, Carly. Chance
Serving.
na
Vanessa Sari.
makalapit pa para sa Letran.
Medyo hindi
Only,
na nagkakalayo yung score natin dito.
Yeah. Here's the jump serve from Vanessa. Good dig coming from Dorog. Bumalik sa side ng Letran. Makilang scores it off the block. So Letran is within 2.
Makina.
Gia has 3 points.
Makilang. Sobrang explosive niya, no?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, ako na mag-receive nito, ako na depensa nito, sa akin mo din ibigay.
Yeah. Malakas, tsaka matalinong player din itong si Makilang. 6-1 run for the Lady Knights. Katarig is now in the game. And that's instant offense for Glidel Katarig.
He remains composed after that point.
Chill lang daw.
Chill lang.
You know. Parang ano lang.
Wala lang.
Usual.
Yes.
She had 8 points dun sa ating game 1. That's one of her best spikers when it comes to efficiency. Oh, that's an ace.
That's an ace.
Christie Ondangan.
Christie Ondangan continues her excellent performance here in set 1. Limang puntos na ni-let go ni Vanessa Sari. Yung serve. Better pickup. Oh, Judiel down the line. Nandun si Ondangan. Katarig. Soft touch. It's still in play. Combination for Glidel. Katarig.
Sabi niya, ganito lang ang volleyball. Simple lang.
But I love this play. The decoy slide. Pero
As you can
papunta.
see, siya lahat yung humawak ng bola. At siya rin yung nakapatay.
Yeah. 5-point lead again for Benilde. Makilang. Nicely done by Mikes. Yeses is denied. And Letran counters with a point. Kanina, nakalapit na sa 2 puntos itong Letran. Pero pagkatapos talaga nagraran ulit itong Benilde.
Oo. Hindi talaga pwedeng pabayaan.
Yeah. Rose de la Cruz. Pasarte to Zam. Pick up by Sari. They go to Gia here. Roofed. Chance ball. Uy! Hindi tumawid. 20-15. Benilde will capitalize on that error.
This is very unusual for Sari. Especially crucial part na.
Combination naman. Kilang.
Finally.
Swipes it. So Gia Makilang keeping Letran at float. 16-20. Doble palit para kay Coach O. This is Tumayaw and Colendra. Both coming in. Teka lang. Ayan. Tuloy pa rin naman yung substitution. Nishan Colendra had 3 points in game 1. Tumayaw, the secondary center, is here. She will serve. Good first ball. Zam. Silva was there. Sari from behind. She commits another error.
Another error for Sari.
Pang-anim na error para dito sa Letran Lady Knights.
This time, itatry na siyang palitan. We'll see if makaka-adjust ang Letran.
Yen Martin is in for the first time. Sari will take a breather. Tumayaw to Colendra. She connects.
Colendra from the bench. Contributing for Letran. I think kailangan nila ng madaming ganito. Especially itong Benilde. Sobrang eager talaga nilang dumipensa.
You know, gumagana eh. Yung mga
Yes.
placing, no? Go! Sharp kill for Micah Go. Naman yan si Mikes.
Basta itaas mo sa akin.
And the master of finding open spots.
And hindi ka talaga pwedeng pumunta lang, no, kung saan siya nakatapat.
Yeah. Kasi nabasa na niya. Laging may intention yung mga atake nito ni Micah Go. 22-17. They bring it back to Vanessa Sari. Basarte with a 1-2. Tracked down by Silva. Colendra from the other side. She is blocked. 23-17. Benilde.
Micah Go was there. Nabasa niya talaga na dito na to ibibigay.
Our MVP with an MVP caliber play. Rejection against Colendra. Tumayaw. Sari. Silva brings it to Colendra. Sobra to.
Strong.
And now it's set point.
I think
Ooh!
it's check ball.
May check ball.
Yes.
Point for Letran.
So Letran,
Fair play for Micah Go.
18-23.
Isar serving.
Dorog. Nice reception. This one is deflected. Tumayaw. Balik sila kay Nishan. But again, Lady Blazers not letting the ball fall down. And it's a point for Benilde. That is Micah Go scoring yet another point. Set point na para sa Lady Blazers. Good serve. Colendra, wind up, deflected by Mikes. They go to Clydel here. Sari, yes.
Oh.
Vanessa Sar.
Finally.
5th point
Yes.
for Sari.
Entering the match for Letran.
Ito, balik na para sa Letran. Pareho si Estrelier at si Nitura.
Natalie Estrella.
We'll see if kaya pang habulin to since si Sari nasa unahan pa din naman siya.
Yeah. Parehong wing attackers nila nandyan sa harap.
Yes.
It's a good serve by Estrelier. Pinahirapan yung first ball ng Benilde. Estrelier now goes to Nitura. Popped up. Silva with the counter. They go to Vanessa. Dorog diving for the ball. Katarig ends set number 1.
A basic volleyball for Qatari.
Making it look simple. Ito, Cargado. Nicely done by Dorog. But Clydel Katarig,
Hindi pa siya masyadong umatras niyan, ha?
simpleng-simple lang.
Simple lang.
And she has delivered for Benilde. They end set number 1, 25-19, and they take the lead in the match.